Barely Legal by The Strokes is played in standard tuning and without a capo. I'm going to start the main riff off on 5th fret of the A string 3 times. We'll then play 7 on the A string and roll up to 7 on the E string. So we've got 5, 5, 5, 7, roll up to the 7 on the low E string. We'll then play 7 on the E string 3 more times, and then 5, 7 on the E string. And that repeats. The chords for the intro and the verse are a G major bar chord, moving to a C major bar chord for 4 bars each, and the rhythm is really simple. It's just down in 8th notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and for 4 bars. Then you move to the C for 4 bars. And repeat that. When the second guitar stops playing the main riff, we go to the G and C chords, just played with a different rhythm. So for the G we play 1 and rest for the rest of the bar and the second bar. In the 3rd bar we do the same thing, 1 and rest for the rest of the bar. And in the 4th bar we just play the 4th beat, 1, 2, 3, 4, and slide up to our C chord where we repeat exactly the same rhythm. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and repeat like that. There's then another little riff that comes in. It's 3 on the D, 2 on the G, and it goes and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and sliding up to the 5 on the D, 4 on the G, and 2 and 3 and 4, back down to the 3 on the 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, slide 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, slide 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, slide back down. There's then a variation on the riff where we start off on the 4 and again, on the 3rd fret on the D, go to 2 on the G, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then open G, 2nd fret on the D, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and back to the 3rd fret on the 4 and. For the pre-chorus, we go to a C major chord. It's actually the top of a bar chord. 10 on the D, 3rd finger, 9 on the G with the 2nd finger, 1st finger bar across the 8th fret on the B in high E strings. Down in 8th notes for 4 bars, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 on the 2nd bar, 3rd bar, 4th bar. Then we're going to go to an A minor over C just by adding the pinky finger to the 8th fret of the B string there, and we've got exactly the same thing. We'll then go to our G bar chord and play 1, 2 and 3, rest, 1, 2 and 3, rest for 4 bars. And then we're into the chorus. The chords for the chorus are a little G triad. We've got the 12th fret of the D, G and B strings played down in 8th notes for 2 bar. We then just add our 3rd finger to the 14th fret of the D string. We've got 12 on the G and B string still, and this is like a little E minor chord. That's played for 2 bars as well. Whilst the chorus chords are playing, there's a little riff. There's played on repeat. So it's 5 on the A string, 7/7 on the low E, 5/5 on the low E, back to 7/7 on the low E, 7/7 on the A, low E, 7/7, 5/5 on the low E, then 7/7 on the low E, and then we kind of play 5 on the forehand before going back to the 5 on the first beat, so it kind of doubles up there. So it's there's a little variation as well. It goes, so it goes 5/5 on the A, 7/5/7 on the low E, then 5/5 on the low E, 7/5/7, all on the low E. And then through the riff as normal. For the outro, there's a little octave riff, 10 on the A and 14 on the G string. We'll play this down in eighth notes for 2 bars. Move up to 14 and 16 and do the same but for 1 bar. Down 2 frets to 12 and 14 for 1 bar. We'll play that on repeat. We finish single strum with a G